WORKPRO rechargeable flashlight. I have it in a blue color. To get power into this, you have to unscrew this just a little bit and it actually stops. And this has a USB-C port. It does have a gasket there. When you close it, it basically makes it watertight so that this can get wet. Basically, it's IPX7. It comes with a USB-C cord to get power into it. It's got 3 settings. Okay, we'll take this to a dark environment very soon. So it's got a flood, a spot, and then a flood and spot. It's up to, what is it, 800 lumens, I believe. Yeah, 800 lumens. Okay. We will take this downstairs. I'll give you, as I'm going downstairs, we'll give you kind of a closer look. It has a rubber part on the outside here and here. So when it falls, it'll either hit this or this. It should just bounce. It's pretty durable. And it's got a metal, the inside there is metal, it's blue. So it feels real good in your hand. It's not the lightest flashlight, not the heaviest flashlight. All right, so, I don't think you can see that American flag there, but I'll put that on. We'll sort of see what it looks like. And then we'll put another setting on. And then this is the 3rd setting. So this is, I think, the spotlight and flood, okay? So you click it right here. That's how you cycle through. Oh, I'm trying to do 2 things at once, not doing it successfully. And then again, and then again. Okay, so that's the button right there. Again, it's all sealed, water resistant, IPX7. And it's very nice. It's got like this little thing here. It makes it kind of easy to hold. Feels good in your hand. You got your nice WORKPRO label there and all around. Pretty nice flashlight, not the smallest. So if I put it in my hand, you can see the size of it. It's not the smallest flashlight, not the biggest flashlight. It's probably, I would consider it a medium-sized flashlight. There you go. WORKPRO. These guys make like everything.